Hey, I'm Craig, and I'm an SOD provider. I know the ins and out of the OE software because I've been using it over 20 years. A lot of these shops want to grow their business, and that means taking in just out of warranty vehicles that they might not be familiar with, but I am.
When I'm signing up customers or listening to a diagnostic problem or figuring out a diagnostic problem, I have no worries because I know I got Craig in the background. I have no fear at all.
SOD allows me to access the vehicle so I could provide diagnostics or programming remotely. I can make a simple connection to the iSCAN and have direct access to the vehicle.
I'm getting more cars, not just to maintain, but to diagnose and repair, even with coding and programming.
Most of these guys are really experienced and they get hung up on little things because I feel like they're not working on the same car every day. And that's where I come in.
We learn from the SOD techs, giving us the power to do it on our own next time.
I get a lot of satisfaction out of helping people. You know, it feels good at the end of the day to go, hey, I helped this guy fix this car. And he's happy, I'm happy, the customer's happy. Then they could get back to doing what they're good at, fixing cars.
Having SOD techs like Craig helps me get back to the things I love to do. iSCAN gives you power.